Lemon is one of the most popular and versatile citrus fruit. Its popularity is owed to its refreshing flavor and scent, making it a popular choice for flavoring many recipes and perfumes. Lemon is also widely used in all sorts of drinks from teas and cocktails to juices. Lemon juice acts as a digestive and a detoxifying agent and helps in cleaning the liver, leading to better digestive health. Benefits of lemon juice: empty stomach. 1. As a rich source of vitamin C, lemon juice protects the body from immune system deficiencies. 2. Drinking lemon juice with warm water every morning helps in maintaining the pH balance of the body. 3. With its powerful antibacterial properties, lemon juice helps fight infections. 4. Acts as a detoxifying agent. 5. Helps with maintaining digestive health. 6. Along with vitamin C, lemons are also a rich source of potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, etc. 7. Helps fight common cold. 8. Lemon water is also a popular remedy for many kinds of skin problems ranging from acne, rashes and wrinkles to dark spots. 9. Lemon juice with warm water helps in quick weight loss as it promotes digestion and increases the metabolic rate. 10. Lemon juice is also very effective at cleansing the liver as it promotes the liver to flush out toxins. 11. Lemon's anti-inflammatory properties help in fighting respiratory tract infections, sore throat and inflammation of tonsils. 12. Lemon juice with warm water helps keep the body hydrated as it provides electrolytes to the body. 13. Drinking lemon juice with warm water also helps reduce joint and muscle pain. 14. Lemon juice with warm water is also good for your dental health as it helps with toothache and prevents gingivitis. 15. Lemon juice with warm water helps with digestion and hence, helps regulate natural bowel movement. Question is, how much lemon water should you drink a day? A cup or two in the morning will be enough to help replenish the water lost overnight and boost your digestive system before breakfast. 12 benefits of drinking lime water. 1. Promotes consumption of water. People who do not drink enough water could add a squeeze of lime to enhance the flavor, which may encourage them to drink more water. 2. Helps improve diet. People who drank more water instead of sugary drinks, such as soda or juice, improved their diet. 3. May aid digestion. Adding lime to water can help aid digestion. Also, the acid in the lime juice helps the saliva break down food. 4. Reduces cancer chances. Citrus fruit consumption and a diminished risk of esophageal cancer. 5. Improves skin quality. When consumed with water, the natural ingredients in the lime juice can help improve the appearance of aging skin. 6. Promotes weight loss. Lime water has an additional benefit. The citric acid found in lime juice helps boost a person's metabolism, helping them burn more calories and store less fat. 7. Improves immune system. The vitamin C combined with the antioxidants contained in limes provides support to the body's immune system. 8. Reduces risk of heart disease. Limited research indicating that limes may also help reduce cholesterol levels. 9. Lowers blood sugar. Vitamin C offers excellent potential for improving a person's sugar levels. 10. Helps prevent kidney stones. The researchers concluded that by including vitamin C and citric acid in their diet, a person could reduce their risk of developing specific stones again in the future. What does lemon water do to your body? Lemon water helps to increase your urine production, helping you to fend off bloating and offering detox benefits. It also contains a lot of healthy vitamin C which boosts your immune system. It helps to flush out toxins in your body, cleanse the liver, and improve your digestion.